Can we talk about how to stay consistent with goals when life gets messy? I call it the Tuesday rule, and it matters a lot more than Monday momentum because it rarely falls apart on a peaceful Sunday. It falls apart on a random Tuesday, and I'm talking about your plans for a productive week. You hit Tuesday, your calendar is stacked, a meeting runs long, something urgent lands in your inbox, and by 4:30, your brain feels like it has 47 tabs open, and the version of you who planned to work out, think strategically, or cook something impressive quietly disappears. Now, most people call this inconsistency, but it's not. Research shows that self-control is heavily influenced by context. So when cognitive load goes up, follow-through goes down. Decision fatigue is real. Add stress and your brain defaults to easy and familiar behaviors. Autopilot kicks in. And that's where the Tuesday rule can help. See, Monday has momentum. There's even research on the fresh start effect that supports this. Friday has relief energy, and Sunday even has reset vibes. But Tuesday's ordinary. No motivational bump, no end of week lift, just endless workload and real life. The Tuesday rule says this: if a goal can't survive a random overloaded Tuesday, it isn't designed for real life yet. And this isn't about lowering standards, it's about staying consistent with goals when you're tired, stretched, and distracted, which can be often. So what passes the Tuesday test? 10 minutes of movement instead of a full workout. Yes, I've talked about that a lot. Clarifying one priority before opening email. Yes. Sending the one important message instead of clearing your entire inbox. Finishing one meaningful task instead of conquering the world. Small steps. Nothing heroic, just repeatable. And when you hit the Tuesday roadblock, rereading emails, scrolling instead of deciding, renegotiating commitments, that's your cue. Don't push harder. Shrink the action. Ask yourself, what's the smallest version of this that still counts? Small steps. That's how you stay consistent with goals. Not by mastering perfect weeks, but by becoming steady on imperfect Tuesdays or Wednesdays or Thursday mornings. You get the drift. If this resonates, I go deeper into all of this in the full blog, Forward Momentum for the Win.